see how we can have our login account into MIT Scratch. So for that you have to type in the Google bar, that is MIT Scratch, and you will get on the first link, that is scratch.mit.edu. You have to select this first link. So when you are here, you will be on this kind of interface. So the very first thing is you can join the Scratch if you don't have any account, and if you have your account you can directly sign in. So here I am telling you how to join the Scratch and how you can create your account and you can create your Scratch projects in future. So the very simple thing is either you can start join here or you can join the Scratch from here. So just click here and you will be redirected to this screen. Here you can put any of the username of your choice. So here I am giving Tech Companion. Any unreal name you want to share with the world of Scratch, you can use it. And when you click here, you have to type any password. So now whatever password you are typing here, you have to type it according to your convenience. So here I am giving a simple password as computer@123, and here again it will ask you to type a password. So you can keep it as a hide password or you can unhide it. So here you can put any of the password of your choice and you can hide it, otherwise you can show your password. So now I am again typing my password so that no one knows my password. And now I'll just select the next option. Now in what country you live in, so you have to select your country. You can type India and it is in the list, and you can select your country and then you can select the next. In the next option they will ask you when you are born, so you have to give the month and the year. So you can select the year of your choice of your birthday. Fine, and you can select next, and now you can have the list of the genders. So select the gender and then you have to put an email address. So I'm just using one demo account of mine just to show you how it works. When you will put your email account here, you are now logged in and you can start exploring your projects. Get started, just click here. And now what will happen, you have to confirm your email here. Fine. So in the next tab, I'm just opening my Gmail account. Here you can sign in your account. So I'm just using my account. By entering your password, you will be redirected to here, and here you will get your email from the Scratch. You have to confirm your account. So here you have to use a valid email account, because when you enter your email you will get a confirm email from Scratch to your given email ID, and here you have to confirm your account. So they are confirming that this is the username, and you have to confirm your account just to have all the projects, all your stuff in your account. So now when I just come to the Scratch part, I have confirmed my email. Fine, it has been confirmed, and now I can work over this interface. So in the next video we are going to create new projects and we'll see how the interface of Scratch works. Thank you so much for watching this video.